Now I want to discuss problem number 37 of NCERT exercise 7.2 and problem number 11 of this study material. Problem is x cube sine tan inverse x to the power 4 1 plus x to the power 8 dx. So I is equal to x cube sine tan inverse x to the power 4 divided by 1 plus x to the power 8 dx. Now consider x to the power 4 is equal to t. Then 4x cube dx is equal to dt and x cube dx is equal to dt by 4. So I is equal to x cube sine tan inverse x to the power 4 1 plus x to the power 8 dx. Now you convert it in the form of t. So it will be 1 by 4 sine tan inverse t divided by 1 plus t square dt. Now again we put tan inverse t is equal to u. It is 1 by 1 plus t square dt du. From first we obtain x cube sine tan inverse x to the power 4 divided by 1 plus x to the power 8 dx. So it will be 1 by 4 sine u du. So now after integration it will be minus 1 by 4 cos u c. So minus 1 by 4 cos tan inverse t plus c. Now putting the value of t we have minus 1 by 4 cos tan inverse x to the power 4 plus c. So my dear student, as I think it is a long process. Now in alternative method I solved this problem in shortcut method. Now we consider this whole angle is equal to t. Tan inverse x to the power 4 is equal to t. So now after differentiation it will be 4x cube 1 by 1 plus x to the power 4 square dx dt. So it is 4x cube 1 by 1 plus x to the power 8 dx is equal to dt, and it is x cube 1 by 1 plus x to the power 8 dx is equal to dt by 4. So I is equal to 1 by 4 sine t dt. So now after integration minus 1 by 4 cos t plus c. By putting the value of t it will be minus 1 by 4 cos tan inverse x to the power 4 plus c. So this problem is short. Alternative method is short. So my opinion is you consider whole angle is equal to another variable. Not if you consider only x to the power 4 is equal to another variable. So just you observed that. So it will be long. So my suggestion is you must consider tan inverse x to the power 4 is equal to t. Then solve this problem. This problem is very, very important for the purpose of examination also. Now my dear students, now I want to solve problem number 30 of NCERT and problem number 12 of this study material. Sin x by 1 plus cos x. And it is I is equal to sin x 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x is equal to t. So minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Now whole integrand is in the form of minus dt by t. That is minus log mod t plus c. So sin x by 1 plus cos x. Integration of sin x by 1 plus cos dx is minus log 1 plus cos x plus c. Now I want to solve some multiple type of question. It is very, very important for the purpose of examination. Keep your mind. In this midterm examination, two types of questions will be asked in the examination. One is question having 1 mark and other is question having 2 marks. So these types of questions are very, very important for the purpose of examination. You must take care while attending the class. Now my dear student, it is problem number 13 of this study material and 38 of NCERT. Choose the correct answer in exercises 38 to 39. Problem is 10 into x to the power n plus 10 to the power x log of 10 to the base e x to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x dx equals. There are 4 options. So my dear students, you see, you consider x to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x is equal to t. So it will be 10 into x to the power 9, 10 to the power x log of 10 to the base e dx is equal to dt. So you get the numerator. If we consider another variable, the denominator, we get it dc in the numerator. So it is now very easy. It is in the form of dt by t, that is log t that is log of 10 to the power x plus x to the power 10 plus c. Hence, the correct answer is D. So, it is very, very important for the purpose of coming mid-term examination. Now, my dear student, now see problem number 39 of the NCERT exercise 7.2 and problem number 14 of this study material. Dx by sin square x into cos square x. And there are 4 options. A is equal to 10x plus cot x plus c. B is equal to 10x minus cot x plus c. C is equal to 10x into cot x plus c. And D is equal to 10x minus cot 2x plus c. My dear student, you must keep in your mind, if the integrand in the form of sin x and cos x, you convert it in the form of 10x and sec x. How will you convert it? Here you do some arrangement. Instead of 1, it is 1 into dx. So instead of 1, we put sin square 1 into dx. So instead of 1, we put sin square plus cos square x. And divide it by sin square x cos square y. We get sec square x dx and also cosec square x dx. So the integration of sec square is 10x and integration of cosec square x minus cot x plus c. So B is correct answer. B is correct answer. In this way, my dear student, now we have solved so many problems of the exercise 7.2 and some important problems are still remaining for discuss. So I will discuss those problems in next video. Thank you very much.